Assalamu alaikum students and a very energetic hello to you all. I hope you're all enjoying the best of your health. Today our topic of discussion is unit number 8, landforms. Whenever we listen the word landforms, we appear with two questions in our minds. What are landforms and what are types of landforms? So first of all, we will discuss about what are landforms. Landforms, when we see on the earth, we see different features. Somewhere there are mountains, somewhere there are lakes, deserts, islands, etc. etc. So all these features are called landforms. All the natural and the physical features on the surface of earth are called landforms. These are the examples of landforms below: mountains, islands, deserts, hills, lakes, valley and volcano. What is a mountain? Mountain is that kind of landform that is very high from the rest of its surroundings. Mountains always shaped like a peak on top. They have always steep edges. If we talk about the mountainy areas in the Pakistan, we have many mountainy regions like northern countries of Pakistan and the KPK regions as well. And the highest mountain of the world is Mount Everest, but students, do not forget that the second highest peak of the world is K2, that is situated in Pakistan, in Karakoram region, which border we are sharing with China. What is an island? Island is a dry patch of land that is surrounded with water by all its sides. An island is that kind of place where if you want to reach up to, you cannot use roads but only the mean of transport by water. So biggest island of the world is Austria, that is a continent as well. Deserts. If we talk about deserts, we all know that deserts are very sandy, very hot, sunny, dry weather, and they do not have much water or rainfall. So if we talk about the deserts of Pakistan, we have Cholistan Desert, third desert in the Pakistan, and the biggest desert of the world is Sahara Desert, that is situated in Africa. Hills. Hills are usually shaped like mountains, but students may get confused between a mountain and hill. They always mix mountains with hills because they look like same. But the basic difference between a mountain and a hill is mountains are very high rather than its surroundings, but the hills are not as high as mountains are. Hills are lesser in height and the mountains are bigger in heights. So if we talk about the shapes of hills, they are always look like mountains. They also have a peak on their tops. They also have steep edges, but the only difference is hills are not as high as the mountains are. The hill stations of Pakistan are Murray and Abbottabad. If we talk about a valley, valley is a very low area found between two mountainy regions or two hill stations. As you can say, On the both sides of a valley there are mountains and hills, and it is always situated between of them, and valleys always have a river running through it. There are many beautiful valleys in Pakistan like Kashmir, Swat, Naran, Kagan, Chitral, and the Neelam Valley as well. Volcano. If we talk about volcanoes are similar to hills and mountains, but the only difference between volcano and the hills and mountains are volcanoes have a hole in their peaks, and they are filled with lava, ashes, and gases. They look like a hill or a mountain, but they have steep edges, but they do not are similar to mountain and hill. They discharge ashes, gases, and lava from the hole. So, after going through the chapter, I have arranged a list of keywords for you guys so you can learn them by heart. These words are physical features, steep, surface, eruption, volcanoes, discharging. After learning these words, you would be able to solve those worksheets which are provided you on your website. So, students, I hope all of your concepts are cleared. Best of luck to you all. Allah Hafiz.